We are here another episode of should I just say episode? Nah, should I just be calling it another day analysis? Yeah, we are here on another day analysis. So before we get to what we are gonna do today, I think okay today we'll do crash because I did boom previously, so we'll do crash. Yeah, crash 1,000. Obviously, we have to start with the ones I know before we go to the ones that I don't know anything about. So crash 1,000. I'll save this. Save as crash 1K V. So this is crash. Now before we get into this, there was this trade I saw last night on Volatility 75. It was a sell. Yep. Oh, beautiful. It's like a sniper entry. It's almost literally like this. But let's see if I wanted to get more accurate sniper, let's see. We could have missed it if that we went with that one there. So this, I think this was from an hour. Or was it? Okay, this. I think that was from an hour. Yeah, it's from the hour 1 hour time frame. I saw it, and hmm the 50. Even I'll put it on here. Sniper, beautiful. But it's still kind of like a sniper entry. And yeah, this was liquidity. Why I put this as liquidity was that it's still selling, it's still a sell. So even if it wants to go for a buy, it still has to take this out. Then probably get up to excuse me, let me remove this. Probably get up to here. Probably get up to here before it starts going up. That is if you want to even change that you want to start buying. So that is what it's gonna do. But for now, when I drew this whole stuff here, I think market was around here when I drew it. So I was in a group. There's this group that they gave a signal that they should buy or that they should sell around here. When I got into my phone because I didn't use my laptop there, I got into my phone. I saw it in around here. Okay, I've already done my own analysis and I've already put my um pending trade. I've already bought this on my own mobile phone. I think currently I'm in like probably maybe six because I use 0.01 as the entry. And like I said, I have very small funds in there. My account. I think I had up to $5 point 32 cent. So when they did it up to here, they say they should sell. I looked at it, I was like, nah. I just put it because it's someone that gives signal. So there is this kind of trust that people have for people that give signal. They won't just give useless signal. I put the sell. Next thing, like it didn't take up to 30 minutes. It started screaming, close. I was in profit. I looked at it. I was in loss. I didn't know where he got his own profit from. But I did close it. Eventually, it did came. If I left it, it could have come back for could have ended it in some profit. Then after that, he gave a buy, and then this thing went down some. I was like, "What the fuck is this nigga giving?" And I didn't even mind it. I was already down 1 point something cent. That's 1 point something dollar. So I literally had 4 point something left. So I just left it like that, and I was like, on my trade here, this SL that was here would be 5.38 dollar as loss. So the trade is one that could have blown the account if that it went up to there. So I left it like I was like, this is something that if it goes, yeah, if it doesn't go, it will be by the way. I can't just be dropping signals and not take any at all. So I woke up today and it was at $2 profit. I then put at break even. I think my break even was around here. So in case if it goes back, I will still be in like probably 1 point or 0.80 cents as profit. But currently I think I'm 7 also. So this is it for the 75. This was what prompted us to take the trade, or prompted this plus the liquidity. Perfect. TP should be around here, but I just put the TP down here because I believe this is still going for a sell, so it might still break. But then let us just see 50% of it. If it gets to 50% of this, see, 50% is still almost close to here. So let's just see how it goes. So that is for that. And mm, this is it, this. I think it's this. Okay, we are still, it's still consolidating here. Wait. Okay. Okay. It's still moving funky around there. It might eventually still go for a sell or not. I think is this, or I don't think there's any other thing I did on here. I don't think I did anything new apart from that volatility 75. Let's see you. Nothing. You okay? Just you. Nothing. Okay. This one just keeps going down. Just keeps going down. We could say you can. Now this is too small. It might break in the next one. This came here. Yeah. Another one. Yeah. Let's go for R. I feel like it will get to a point where it will break. And yeah. But let's leave this. This is not what you came here for. I'm just trying to see if there's something that. Yes, I think this is what we did yesterday. So we should go to files. Let's see how the trade went. Damn, it hit our SL. 1 hour. Damn, it hit our SL. Came out little and started going up. So we should go back to the 24 hours. That's what prompted this. What prompted it? What prompted it? This. Okay, let's go for hours. There's nothing here. You can't even say it's this because this is below it. So nothing actually prompted it. It just a cell. So we'll remove this. This is no longer valid. This is going to be a cell. Taking our loss around there. Yeah. Yeah, it's going to get up to here. Then it's going to sell. Yeah, you buy up to here, then sell. So I don't think get why it came out of here because as I say if it's using this particular level here, which I don't see why, but it wasn't touched by this. Okay, this level is what I'll just use this here. Where is it? Yeah, this is the level it used. Then we draw this. Which you will still say it almost came off it. So we should delete this and this. Okay, this is the level that gave us that move. So that means this was what was it again? I think this was a ranging. Yeah, it was a ranging market because this yeah, it was a ranging market. Broke out of here, fake. I think really fake. We get up to here, then probably go down or below to finally hit there. That is it for here. I'll come back to it because currently I'm kind of confused. But I know if we still, he has to still get up to this OB, yeah? We get up to that OB. So we go to the new one, crash 1K. What are we looking at? What are we looking at? Okay. Is our low very far. Why? Is because it's still kind of like is the ultimate low. Is the ultimate low because our current high was from here. Our current high, which is this, was literally from there. So this is our current high. Our current high. Mm. We have something like range here also. Something like range is going on here. Mm-hmm. This is on the daily time frame. So we have something like range going. We should just do all this while we are here. So it's going to mitigate this and come down. So currently we're on a buy that is short buy up to here. Then we go down. Now let's see why this is happening here. We have no reason except from here. FVG is where no FVG, no FVG is around here, which none of them actually meet. Let's just go to the 4 hours time frame. And yeah, as you can see, this up is going up, going up. So it has to get up to here. Then we'll see if we'll have a downtrend from there. For our time frame. Mm, you can use here. So your SL will be kind of low. This was sell. Why did it do that? Choose this line now. Now choose this. Or is it this? I don't understand what's going on here all that much. But based on what I can see here, we are going for this, then we get a sell. But this is like this range, yeah. As you can see, went up, then came down. So it's ranging around, well, it was ranging around there. Okay, wait, let me see. If we use, I'm trying to understand how, yeah, works with price action, and it's not really making all that much sense to me, anyways. So say these are other block, these an FVG, yeah. So is it that, yeah, employs the use of FVG? This this BS BOS another, yeah, with a slight, this a little bit of FVG, and as you can see, this one also was close to the fair value gap. This OB, we have a little bit here. Not FVG around that area. We use other block, and it has been retesting 1, 2. We just this is a long. Can just, because there's slight FVG around here, you can just put your long around here. Your SL should be up to here. Your TP should be up to here. So this is literally not 100% because I don't understand how this market actually works. So this is more like a test run to see if it plays up. If it plays like this, that just means that I have to look into it some more to understand its movement patterns. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh, for this, I use this smaller one here because it lasts bigger for me up. So this is 1 hour time frame. This is like equal highs. So a little bit of consolidation is happening here. Then we have another one here. There's a little bit of consolidation going on here. If you come to, let's see, if we move this, so I'll be able to get that. Yeah, a little bit of consolidation. So there's a possibility of it coming up to this level here before maybe going up or breaking it a little, giving us a fake break and going up. So this is what we are saying here. So we can adjust if you want like early entry, because most of the time I prefer early entry so that you won't miss a nice setup because we are trying to um get perfect entry. Sometimes getting that perfect entry might mean you miss some setups. So it's better to just do early. If you are kind of sure that yes, it's going to move that way, give yourself that early. You can like maybe something that will pay out well, pay up well. Yeah. As you can see on here, it doesn't really pay up well. You can see this 2.75% and this is 1.60. It's not even up to 1%. It's not up to 1%. So we can reduce, that is, adjust our entry, put it up to here. So we might miss this trade, but now it's something of 1 to 2. So it's not bad. Let's say if it was a 2 to 5 based on the entry. So early entry is like a 2 to 5, but the loss is 2, the profit will be 5. That would be nice. But because the profit is not order far, we could put the profit up to this very low here, but it's better to just put it on there as a sure bet. Then maybe when you get up to your 1%, that's when you get half of it. When you get half of it, yeah, you can get half, maybe it's up to this level. You can then put your SL around there and then put your TP to get up to there. So even if it doesn't get up to there, you got more than half. So it depends on how greedy you want to be for the trade. So this is it for this crash 1000. uh, Next we will do another crash. I've not know which crash we'll do next, but thanks for watching. Till next time.